This is ChainMind, the decentralized AI network built for everyone. Just search ChainMind on Google, sign up, download the app, and you're in. That's it. You've joined the network. Run it on any device, phone, laptop, or server. Why ChainMind? Fully decentralized, fully yours. We're fast, affordable, and built for real people. Just $0.005 per token. Go decentralized today. Visit chainmind.com.ng to download the node or plug into our API.
Imagine a robot vacuum that maps every corner of your house, records conversations, and streams it all to a hidden server. That's the privacy paradox of modern vacuums. They use lidar, depth cameras, and microphones to clean smarter, but they also create a detailed, time-stamped portrait of your life that lives in the cloud. Banning the devices sounds good, but it only cuts off one product while leaving the same sensors in smart speakers, cameras, and thermostats, and it gives manufacturers no incentive to protect your data. The real lever is who controls the AI that interprets those sensor feeds. Decentralized inference networks like ChainMind let the vacuum process data locally or on a community-run network, returning only the navigation commands you need and keeping the raw footage out of corporate hands. By shifting inference away from centralized servers, you keep the convenience without surrendering sovereignty over your home. Follow ChainMind for the privacy-first AI revolution.